Welcome to the AI for Kids podcast, where playtime, learning, and creating collide bit by bit. Ever wonder how your phone recognizes your face? How does a game learn to get harder as you get better? This is AI. This podcast is designed for kids like you and your human parents, making the complex world of AI easy to understand and, most importantly, fun. So are you ready to unlock the mysteries of artificial intelligence? Subscribe and join us on AI for Kids. Join us today as we continue our journey through the ABCs of artificial intelligence. In this episode, we explore the letter K, which stands for Knowledge Graph. Ready to learn how computers organize information to understand the world just like we do? Let's get started. So what is a knowledge graph? A knowledge graph is a special way for computers to organize information. It's like how our brain connects facts together. It helps computers understand relationships between different things, like how a dog is an animal or how a car has wheels. Can you think of two things that are connected? Maybe a dog and a bone, or ice cream and a cone. That's how a knowledge graph works. So, let me share more about how a knowledge graph works. A knowledge graph takes lots of information and links it together. It actually creates a big web of knowledge. For example, if you search for apple, a knowledge graph knows that an apple can be both a fruit and a fun tech company. It helps computers figure out which apple you're actually looking for. And the reality is, knowledge graphs are all around us. They're in our search engines. When you search for something on Google or Bing, it uses a knowledge graph to give you the best answer by connecting facts and the relationships. It's also in virtual assistants. When Siri or Alexa answers your questions, they use knowledge graphs to understand what you're asking and find the right information. They're also in smart recommendations. Knowledge graphs help websites recommend new things to you, like suggesting movies you might like based on what you've already watched. So I want to share a few fun facts about knowledge graphs. They're a web of knowledge. A knowledge graph is like a giant spider web, connecting information from all over the internet to give you the smartest answer. AI also uses knowledge graphs to understand complex ideas, making it smarter and better at answering your questions. Knowledge graphs aren't just about facts. They understand how facts are connected, like knowing that Paris is both a city and the capital of France. So how else do AI and knowledge graphs work together? Well, the first thing is they help with learning relationships. AI uses knowledge graphs to understand how things are connected, like knowing that a bicycle has two wheels and is used for riding. It also helps answer questions. When you ask a question, AI uses a knowledge graph to find the right answer by connecting all the facts it knows. And it also helps make decisions. AI can use knowledge graphs to make smart recommendations, like suggesting books, videos, or games based on what it knows about your interests. So, are you ready to play a game? Let's build a knowledge graph. So for this game, it's called Knowledge Web. You're gonna need a few tools, paper and crayons. We're keeping it simple this week. And here's the activity. First, I want you to pick a topic, like animals or food, and write it in the middle of your page. Next, I want you to draw lines connecting it to other related ideas. For example, if your topic is dog, write the word bone, fur, bark, and connect it to those words. Then I want you to keep adding connections to build your own knowledge graph. And then I want you to share your knowledge web with a family member or friend and talk about how your knowledge graphs help AI learn. You can also make it competitive to see who can create the biggest knowledge graph. As always, there's challenges with technology and there's challenges with knowledge graphs. Building knowledge graphs takes a lot of data. Remember, D is for data? That's all the information that's stored everywhere on the internet. AI has to sort through tons of information to build those connections in a way that makes sense. But if the data is incorrect or unclear, the knowledge graph might not make the right connections. We have to make sure the data is up to date and it has the right information. How do you learn more about knowledge graphs? I want you to look up knowledge map tools online to see how different ideas are connected. You can also try asking Siri or Alexa tricky questions and see how they use knowledge graphs to find answers. Also to see how they don't get the answer right and where there may be issues with their knowledge graphs. There are also cool videos online that explain how knowledge graphs help AI learn and connect facts. So what's next? Imagine if you could build a huge knowledge graph about something you love. What would it be about? Maybe animals, sports, or space? Share your ideas with someone nearby and talk about how knowledge graphs can make information easier to find and understand. Also, feel free to build another knowledge graph. One of the other activities you can try at home is to go on Google and search a random name or object with your family and see what pops up in the top of the search. Did it know what you were searching? Did it find exactly what you were looking for? If not, how could you make the knowledge graph better? Well, kids, I want to thank you again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this adventure with the letter K for knowledge graph. Keep that curiosity alive and join us next time as we continue exploring the ABCs of AI. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining us as we explored the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Don't keep this adventure to yourself. Download it, share it with your friends, and let everyone else in on the fun. Subscribe wherever you get your podcasts or on YouTube. See you next time on AI for Kids.